Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer some common questions in English. It's really useful and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson you're going to learn some new ways to ask someone, what is your name? What is your name? Including one that you can use when you have forgotten someone's name. And now, what is your name? Was probably one of the first questions. I have to tell you, though, that most native speakers of English would never say this. In English, just like other languages, it is often more polite and to be a little indirect. Of course, the easiest way to avoid asking the question directly, it is not to ask at all. Just introduce yourself. Just say, "Hi, I'm Alicia." To show that you want to know the other person's name, just add "and you" at the end. "Hi, I'm Alicia, and you?" "Hi, I'm Alicia, and you?" Just like before, take out my name, Alisha. After you say this, the other person will tell you his or her name. Okay, now let's talk about an embarrassing situation that happens to everybody. You've already met this person once before, you have forgotten their name. The most polite thing to do in this situation is to apologize and ask again. There is a simple way to do this that's also polite. I'm sorry, what was your name again? I'm sorry, what was your name again? This sentence is very similar to what is your name, but it has 3 important differences. First, we say I'm sorry. I'm sorry. After that, we say what was your name? This is just like what is your name, but instead of is, we use the past tense was. So this is really important as it tells the other person that you remember meeting them. You haven't forgotten him or her, you have just forgotten the name. This little word makes all the difference. Finally, we add again to the end. This is another hint that tells the other person that you remember learning his or her name before, but you can't just recall it right now. I'm sorry, what was your name again? This phrase is appropriate for both formal and informal situations. In many parts of the world, it's normal to address people by name in conversation more than once. In both formal and informal situations, it is a way to show respect and interest in other person and can help you make friends. It is also a great way to practice someone's name so you do not forget it. If you're talking to someone named Aisha, for example, you can say, "Aisha, what do you do for fun?" You can also put the name at the end of the sentence. What do you do for fun, Aisha? So you do not want to say the person's name too often or it will sound a little strange. But if you practice someone's name like this, you won't forget it. And people love to hear their own name. Take care everyone and bye bye.